A pleasant day to you all. Today, we are going to be discussing quadratic equations with the use of quadratic formula. So let's start into it. Hey guys, now we're going to talk about the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, let's talk about how we derive this formula.
How to complete the square? To complete the square, we have 5 steps. First step, we will be using the coefficient 1. Second step, we need to shove or remove the constants. Step 3, we need to add this formula to both sides. Step number 4, we need to complete the square. And step number 5, we need to solve. First, we will start off with the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. To eliminate the a, we need to divide all the terms with a. Cancel the first. So we will be left with x squared plus bx over a plus c over a is equals to 0. After that, we are going to transpose the third term to the other side. So it will become x squared plus bx over a is equals to negative c over a. It became negative because whenever you will go across the equal sign, it will become the opposite. After, we are going to go to this formula. We will base it from the middle coefficient, b over a. We will not anymore write the x because we are basing it from the... Next, we are going to base this formula, so it will become b over 2a squared. Then the answer of the second formula, b squared over 4a squared. Then we are going to add this formula and this formula to this formula. We are going to be going back to here. We're going to add this. And it will become x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a squared. Why is it positive? It is positive because the sign is also positive. Because we are basing this one to this one. So that's why it became positive. We are going to add this formula to the other side. It is equals to negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. We are going to combine these 3 terms and the last 2 terms. The answer for this, if we are going to combine them, is x plus b over 2a squared is equal to 4ac plus b squared 4a squared. Then we are going to go to the square root property. We are going to square these two. It will become x plus b over 2a is equals to positive negative. Why is there positive negative? We have positive negative because whenever we will do the square root property, we need to add a positive and negative sign. Then square root 4ac plus b squared. This is the answer of the solution. Then we are going to transpose this term to the other side. It will become x is equals to negative b over 2a positive negative square root of 4ac plus b squared over 2a. Then we are going to combine these two because we have the same denominator. X is equals to negative b positive negative square root of 4ac plus b squared over 2a. And then we have arrived at the quadratic formula. First example, we will be using a quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we will get their ABCs. A is 1, B is positive 5, C is negative 6. We will apply this. X is equals to negative 5 plus minus square root of b squared, so 5 squared, minus 4 times 1, since 1 is a, and times negative 6 over 2 times 1. X is equals to negative 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 4 times 6, negative 6 over 2. X is equals to negative 5 plus minus square root of 25 plus 24, since it's both negative, over 2. X is equals to negative 5 plus minus square root of 49 over 2. X is equals to negative 5 plus minus 7 over 2. Then we will do the plus minus. Negative 5 plus 7 over 2 is equals to 2 over 2. We can still is equals to 1. X is equals to negative 5 minus 7 over 2 is equals to negative 12 over 2. So the answer will be negative 6. These are the answers in example number 1. Let's move on to example number 2. Just the same as we did in example number 1. We will get the ABCs. A is 1, B is 10, and C is 9. We will apply the quadratic formula. So x is equals to negative 10 plus minus square root of 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 over 2 times 1. X is equals to negative plus minus square root of 100 minus 4 times 9 over 2. X is equals to negative 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 36 over 2. X is equals to negative 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 36. Equals to 64 over 2. X is equals to negative 10 plus minus 8 over 2. We'll apply the plus minus. X is equals to negative 10 negative 18 over 2? The answer is negative 9. We'll do the plus. X is equals to negative 10 plus 8 over 2 is equals to negative 2 over 2. The answer is negative 1. These are the answers for example number 2.
R is equals to negative 2 positive negative square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 over 2 times 2. R is equals to positive 2 positive negative square root of 4 minus 36 over 4. Then minus R is equals to 2 positive negative square root of 32 over 4. Then since this is not a perfect square, we will divide it. So R is equals to 2 positive negative square root of 16 times 2 divided by 4. 16 divided by 2 because 16 is a perfect square. Then after R is equals to 2 positive negative 4 square root of 2 divided by 4. Then we will cancel this both. So it will be R is equals to 1 over 2 positive negative square root of 2. This is the final answer. Example number 3. So in example number 3, one term is in the other side of the equal sign. We are gonna do is equate it to 0. How? To equate it to 0, we are gonna transpose this to the other side. So be g squared plus 7g plus 6 is equals to 0. Then apply the quadratic formula. R is equals to negative 7 positive negative square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 divided by 2 times 1. Then R is equals to negative 7 positive negative square root of 49 minus 24 divided by 2. Then after R is equals to negative 7 positive negative square root of 25 over 2. R is equals to negative 7 positive negative 5 over 2. Then we're gonna divide this. R is equals to negative 7 plus 5 is equals to 2. This will be negative 2 over 2 is equals to negative 1. Then the other R is equals to negative 7 minus 5 over 2. This will be negative 12 over 2, which is equals to negative 6. With this, we still have another term that is in another side. Suppose this is the other side. So it will make negative 2h squared minus h plus 7 is equals to 0. Then apply the formula. R is equals to negative 1 positive negative square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 7 over 2 times negative 2. Then after R is equals to positive 1 positive negative square root of 1 plus 56 negative 4. Then R is equals to 1 positive negative square root of 57 over negative 4. Since this will not be simplified anymore, this will be our final answer.
That's it for our discussion. We hope that you learned something.
And we're out! Peace!